Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear hub bearing on 2010 ACURA TSX. Okay, it's all tool we needed. Is a 17mm socket for a 1/4 inch and 3/8 on it's number 12mm and number 14mm, and the screwdriver to remove you see the rotor screw in here is 2 screws. You need to remove it to pull the rotors out, and number 14mm for the brake caliper slider, and number 12 for the e-brake cable, and number 17 for the caliper bracket. And inside here is a 17, you see the bearing bolt here. I point it to you. It's a number 17mm also. Alright, so let's get it started, guys. So after you remove 2 screws in here, you need to remove 2 more bolts in here for number 14mm for the caliper slider bolt. To remove the e-brake cable bolts. It's number 12mm. See it? You see, guys, see clearly? Just pull it and release it, the cable out from the caliper to get more space. Okay, and remove the caliper on the side. Take off the brake pad. And next, you see it? It's a number 17mm for the caliper bracket. Just remove it. Extension on this one. Stop it. That's a bolt flying. Sorry, guys. So, and after, give me a second, let me pull out my tool and remove the rotors out. After you remove the caliper and rotors out, it's time to remove the hub bearing. Okay, like I said, it's number 17mm on the side, like 4 bolts. So I'm gonna put a camera in here, but you already know it. It's a 4 bolts on the back, 17mm. Alright, so I'm gonna remove it now. Let me move the camera in here. You can see it a little bit clearly. You see, number 17. Once out. 2. Squeeze out. And the last one here. Okay, so all bolts out. So it's all out, okay? They already loose it. You just use the hammer to knock it out, okay? Come out. It's the old hub. Look like, okay? Special. This is what it looked like after we remove the old ones out. So it's nice and clean. Okay, let's install the new one. It's a very simple, guy. Just install it. Give me a second. You know, on it's the hub bearing bolts. I'm gonna apply some grease on it. Okay, so where the new hub in here? Gonna apply some grease on the bolts. We don't want any strip or on the bolts. So this job is very simple, guys. Very simple. If you get all tools at home, try it out. Okay, I'm gonna tighten up a little bit with the air guns. So sometime then we took it. Okay, time to torque. That bolt is a 75 foot-pound, okay? Or 75 foot-pound, so we took it. It's not enough room. Okay, this one clear one. It's good. Wow, good. Good. Okay, good. The last one. Okay, perfect. It's all torqued, and after you torque the caliper bolts, it's time to install the rotor back in. Okay, install the rotor. Let me you see clearly. Okay, let me move the camera a little bit. Let's try to reinstall it. Don't forget to put where the screw, two screw back in. Screw in here. Okay, perfect. Then next we're gonna install the brake caliper bracket. It's 70mm here. We're gonna torque it to 77 foot-pound, okay? Good. Okay, perfect. So after we're going to install the brake pad back. Put the spring. Okay, and we're going to torque it 16 foot-pound for the caliper slider bolt here, okay? Let's torque it. 16. Okay, perfect. So next we're gonna install the e-brake cable. This is the last part, guys. Boom, and put the number 12mm bolt here. It's the holder. Almost done, guys. So simple. Try it at home if you get all tools. Good to go. Okay, guys, it's all how to remove and install the hub bearing on 010 ACURA TSX. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and thank you.